everybody. That, of course, was Foggy Mountain Breakdown, one of the most famous banjo tunes of all time. And this coming Thursday, that's June 15th, I'm starting a 3-week Zoom workshop series on how to play the fiddle for banjo tunes. You go to a festival, you go to a jam, somebody calls a banjo tune, and you're like, I don't know what to do. That's what I'm here for. So we're going to be doing 3 classic fiddle breaks for banjo tunes, as well as I'm going to get into how I actually approach learning these things in the first place. What am I looking for? What am I trying to hear? And then what am I going to put out there on the fiddle? So you do not have to attend live. All of these things will be recorded. So if you sign up, I'll just send you the recordings and any supplemental stuff, including maybe a little tab if I'm feeling generous. But the main thing is it's time to stop passing when it comes around for your turn for the breaks for a banjo tune. We got to get you going on those. It's super fun once you get the hang of it. So go to FiddleStar.com, click on the Learn to Play the Fiddle, and there's the Bluegrass Skill Builder Workshops page. Just click on there, you can sign up, or just DM me or holler at me and I'll help you with it. I may even put a link along with it here, either in the bio or in the comments section. So I hope you guys want to learn how to do this and join me starting June the 15th. I'll see y'all soon.